All right, so we got a rectangle, so I strongly recommend drawing a picture quick, or a rectangle, even if it's a terrible rectangle like that. And the length of the rectangle is 5 inches longer than the width. So if we make the width W, 5 inches longer than that would be W plus 5. So I'm going to label the length to be 5 more than W. Okay, and then we know all the sides, right? This one would be the same because it's a rectangle, so it'd be W plus 5, and this one would just be W. Okay, so the perimeter is 40 inches. So you get the perimeter by adding all the sides together. So if we add all these together, that would be 4 W's, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So 4 W's plus 10 has to equal 40, right? Since the perimeter is 40, add them up and it should be 40. Okay, now we just got to solve that. So I just minus the 10. So 4W is equal to 30, and then divide by 4, and you get 7.5 for the width. Okay, and now I just want to make sure they didn't ask for the length. They asked for the width. So that was width, and then the length would be 5 more than that, 12.5. So it says, what is the width? So our width is 7.5.